In this video I'll be going over the equipment locations on the rescue. This is definitely the trickiest of them all because this truck is unique. So it takes a lot of time to remember where everything is. I don't even know where everything is, but I'll be walking you guys through it as we go along. We'll start with this compartment. This is aesthetic, except there is a pike in this compartment, as you can see. You can get the pike and the hook from either side of this compartment. Next is that's an empty compartment we can use for later. And here we have generators, which are aesthetic for right now. In this compartment we have the EMS bags and spreaders for vehicle extrications and for healing your character. This is an aesthetic compartment for now. In this compartment we have the K12 and the chainsaw, which you already know what those do if you've watched the tutorial videos. In this compartment we have the fire extinguisher. These rear compartments can be opened up as well. This rear left compartment is for swapping out your air tank. This rear right compartment has additional K12 saws. This compartment is aesthetic, as well as this one. Let me change the lighting here so you guys can see a little better. Another compartment with K12 and chainsaws in the right. This is the compartment where you'll find your Halligan and your axe. So this is one of the most important ones to remember. And this compartment is where you'll find your water can. There are right-clickable compartments under these compartments that can be opened. We're going to add more stuff when we have the rescue update, which will add trench rescues, high angle rescues, water rescues, things like that. And that will give us opportunity to utilize these additional compartments. That's the final overview of the rescue and its tools. The more you know.